Hello and welcome to CARE-Cincinnati video series on navigating resources in Cincinnati. Today we will be talking about workers' rights. Let's cover some of the basic rights that employees receive under U.S. labor law. Labor laws help protect employees against employer misconduct and ensure workers' rights. Discrimination and harassment. You have the right to be free from unlawful discrimination and harassment. Ohio employee can file a discrimination and harassment complaint with the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, also known as EEOC. The EEOC is a federal agency where if they find a violation, they will help you reach a settlement with the employee. If the EEOC does not find a violation, you might also start a private civil lawsuit against the employee. Ohio employee can also file a discrimination and harassment complaint with the Ohio Civil Rights Commission, which will then be investigated upon. Wrongful termination. If you have been fired from your job, it is important to maintain a collection of paperwork and documents related to your job termination. If you plan on taking legal action over your job loss, you must document the decision-making process for your firing. Wages and hours. Also, labor law helps ensure employers are protected from uncompensated work hours and unfair wages. Some dispute can still arise. It is important that every worker is compensated for the work performed. If you work overtime or more than 40 hours per week, the employer is required to pay 1 and 1.5 times the amount of regular pay. The employee can also not wrongfully withhold wages pay below the minimum wages, pay an incorrect way, or violating minor labor law. If you feel any right related to wages, overtime pay, or minor labor was violated, you can file a complaint to the Ohio Department and Commerce Bureau of Wages and Hour Administration. You can also file a federal complaint to the Department of Labor, Wages and Hour Division. You might also file a private lawsuit if no action results against the employee. Workplace safety. Workers have the right to a safe workplace which is free of toxic substances, dangerous conditions, and other safety hazards. Employers are obligated to ensure the safety work environment. If you feel that there are safety issues at your workplace, you might file a complaint to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, also known as OSHA. If your agency finds a violation, the employee will face fine and must correct the issue. Privacy. Your right to privacy includes your personal possessions such as handbags, storage locker, and private mail that is only addressed to you. You might have a right to privacy in work-related telephone conversation. However, your right to privacy are limited in your internet usage and email messages that come from your employee's computer system. If you feel that any of these are violated, you have a right to file a complaint against your employee without fear of retaliation. Thank you for watching, and please check out the link in the description below for additional resources.